This is another super easy hairdrap style that you can tie for everyday hairdrap. So I folded my hairdrap into 2 equal parts and twisted tightly the way you are seeing me. And I did not twist all the way down. I just twist like halfway, and then I tuck in through the loop of where I started the twist. You can see my twist is very tight. Yes, see? And then I pull it snugly. And now I'm going to open up the excess fabric, both parts, and I hold my hair in, and then I tie it at the back and tuck in the rough ends. And now my hair form a puff at the back, so I don't have to put anything to give it volume. And here you have a very simple and beautiful hairdrap style that you can tie for everyday event, work, church, grocery, name it. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this with somebody. I love you all.